Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Stanley Tumbler cup. This cup can hold about 2 pounds of liquid. It's really insulated really well, so it can keep your drinks hot for hours, about, I don't know, 7 hours, and can keep cold drinks, ice cold for over a day, I believe, from what I've seen. This cup uh, comes with its own straw that's really usable and plastic and pretty durable. And you can see it has a silicone seal there around the straw so it doesn't leak too much. Also, there's a silicone seal around the cap so it can keep the drink from leaking too much. This is a real solid product, and I hope this review helps.